Oh my god, like what the hell? I just want to scream, I want to shout. Oh my god. I'm like honestly the happiest person alive. Honestly. I just want to cry because I'm like so happy. You probably don't know what I'm talking about, but basically it's Friday and I've just finished my last exam. I couldn't be happier, honestly. So like the reason I am so happy, like so happy, is because this week, which was my exam week, it was awful. Let me tell you, it was awful. Like for example, today, Friday, I had 2 exams, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Like I'm human and I have human rights, so thank you. But anyway, I'm just so glad I finished. So glad I finished. So now I need to do laundry. I need to pack my luggage because I'm going to my grandpa and grandma tomorrow. So bye bye uni. I'm not gonna miss you. Just kidding, no. I'm gonna miss this place, but yeah, I'm just like so excited to go back to Cyprus. I just feel like so tired, so I just wanna go back to Cyprus, back to my family. That's all I need right now. That's all I need. So guys, I'm currently waiting for the laundry to finish, so while I'm waiting, let's just start with the unboxing haul, shall we? So the first thing that I bought is this little cute coaster with my friend's name on it, because let me tell you, when I'm going back to Cyprus, me and my squad, we're doing a Secret Santa. So my friend loves beer so much, so I thought that a coaster with the beer and her name is the coolest thing ever. Like look at it, it's so cool. So I really think that she's gonna love it. So this is one of her presents. I've also bought her, this is like so cool, and says ring for a beer. Look at this. I'm not gonna take it out of the box, but basically it says ring for a beer. And the coolest of all of them is actually this glass. It's this glass, and basically, I don't know if you can see, but there is a unicorn and it says her name. Let's say Mega Speed of Unicorn Tears. It's like so cool. She's gonna definitely love all of them, I'm pretty sure. Also, I've bought this t-shirt sweater kind of thing. Let me just open it. So it's like that. Like I really love the colors. I feel like you can just like wear it with a simple jean and it will look perfect. But when I ordered it, I thought that it was gonna be more thick, so for winter, but it's not really. So, but anyway, I mean, it's cool and I like it, so yeah. And of course the next things I bought are from Nastigal, of course. So let's just open them. I'm like so excited for them. I mean, I've opened them before to just like see them, but well. So first thing that I bought from Nastigal is this t-shirt. It's, let me just show you. It's this. So basically it has a high neck and at the end of the sleeves it's like that, and the color is just amazing. I really love this color. It's my mom's favorite color actually, but I really like it. I mean, you can wear it with a jean and you're ready to go. I really like this t-shirt. Okay, and then the next thing I bought from Nastiva is this belt. So basically I really wanted a belt with this thing. Let me just show you. Which is like that. I really wanted a belt with this for a very long time and I finally got it. I mean, I just love this belt. Yeah, and then I bought this jean. So basically it has a light blue color and then at the sides it has a stripe of darker blue color, which I thought it was really cool actually. And then at the bottom it's like that, and actually it's not very long jean, it's short around the ankle of our legs. So yeah, it's more like a summery jean, but you can definitely wear it whenever you want. So yeah. And the last thing I bought is this L'Oreal Brow Artist Sculpt. It's in the shade Blonde, and basically I really wanted one because my eyebrows are just really blonde and I want to have eyebrows. So without this my eyebrows are just absent, there are no hair, but with this I have eyebrows. Okay guys, so this was my mini unboxing haul. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in my next video because now I just need to go and pack my luggage. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So this is the situation right now. Oh my god. Yeah.